Welcome. Today we are tackling the Take an Interview task from the speaking section. We will practice listening to an interviewer's questions and responding naturally and fully on the spot, focusing on fluency and strong conversational skills. Remember, there is no preparation time here, so stay alert and speak as much as you can to show off your range. If you want to master the TOEFL speaking section, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert strategies. Let's keep practicing together to hit your target score. Campus parking office. A campus parking office. The setting is the campus parking office, so you should mentally prepare for vocabulary related to permits and vehicle regulations. Listen for specific administrative details common in this environment. A parking official explains the rules for visitor and student vehicles on campus. A parking official is explaining the rules, which means you should expect a direct, authoritative, and instructional tone. Focus on the requirements being laid out. Now, let's look at the exact sentences you will hear and break down the best strategies to remember and repeat them perfectly. The visitor parking section closes at exactly 6:30 every weekday evening. To remember this long sentence, chunk the information into the subject and the time. You must use a strong falling intonation on exactly 6:30 to emphasize the deadline and ensure you don't drop the C in closes. If you lose your permit, please report it to the officer. Visualize the scenario of a lost item to hold the "if you lose" condition in your memory. Put a clear vocal stress on the verb report and make sure the T at the end of permit is crisp. You should pick up your new permit at the desk. Focus on the phrasal verb pick up and try to link the two words together smoothly. Be careful to emphasize new permit as the key object and end with a clear desk to complete the thought. Please park your car in the visitor parking lot. This is a polite instruction, so maintain a steady, calm rhythm. You must be careful to pronounce the compound phrase, visitor parking lot, with a singular, cohesive flow, rather than pausing between the words. The parking office is located near the north gate. To remember the location, visualize the north gate in your mind. Focus on the sound in north and the G in gate, ensuring that the stress falls on the specific location parking office. Please do not park your car near the fire hydrant. This is a prohibition, so you need to emphasize "do not" to convey the correct meaning. Practice the tricky pronunciation of fire hydrant, ensuring you don't rush through the 3 syllables of the second word. All parking permits must be displayed on the front window. Memory strategy: focus on the requirement of must, followed by the action. For pronunciation, ensure the ed in displayed sounds like a did and carefully enunciate front window to show exactly where the permit goes. Great job today! To maximize your score in the listen and repeat task, always focus on the natural rhythm and flow of the sentence rather than getting stuck on a single word. Maintaining your confidence and clear pronunciation is much more important than being 100% word perfect. Keep practicing your chunking techniques to build stronger auditory memory.